Hey guys, welcome back to Awesome Everyday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this light meter and the values that it presents. This is really useful for home automation. Like as soon as it gets dark, boom, lights turn on. As soon as a certain threshold of light level is reduced, something turns on, something comes, something. So it can be used in a variety of ways. So it's a really simple circuit and let me show you how to do it. The components you'll need are some resistors, a breadboard just for prototyping I won't be using, an Arduino, and some obvious jumper wires. And you'll also need an LDR which is presented right here. Okay, and now let's get to the schematic. So this is the simple schematic. First you'll take the LDR, one lead will connect to the positive and the other will connect to the resistor which I'll be using as 2.7 kilo ohms, and then the point where they meet is going to be sensor A0 to the Arduino, and negative and the positive. Simple as that. These positive and negative are in the Arduino, so you don't have to connect any more wires, just these simple. It's exactly the same as a thermistor temperature sensor one, but replacing the thermistor with an LDR. So now I'll solder it and I'll show you. So here it is, it looks like this, and I've done a pretty bad job at soldering, but it works. And now for the code. Well, who cares about the code? I'm the only nerd here, sadly. So well, if you're interested in the code, it's present in the link below. And now for some testing. So here I've set it up, it's down there, and as you can see it's quite low, it's only 1. So I've programmed it to be from 0 to 10. So at 10 it's like a bright day, like strong sunshine, that's a 10. And well, this is my room light luminosity, and now as you can see it functions. If I put my hand over it, the value drops. I move it, it rises up because of the light. And now let's program something so that it actually does something. So for now I'm gonna program if the light level goes above 5, then you turn off the LED, but if it drops below 5, then you turn on the LED. So it's like a day tracker, you might say. So let's build it. So okay guys, I've coded it and this is my torch for now. So as you can see the LED is on, and when I bring it, oh yeah, if I bring it, see it closes and then the light comes on. Off, on, off, on, off and on. So now pay attention to that. So and here is the sensor in the corner. As I bring it, the value rises 4, and as soon as it reaches 5, the light will close. See, it's 5 it's almost 6, and if I bring it off, see. So now what you can do is attach a transistor, then a relay, and then your mains power supply, and then you can just turn off your light, and that's pretty cool if you ask me. And off. See, so this is how you can easily do automation, and you can even lower it, the value, because 5 is a little bit much. I think if you're doing something home automation, you might want to change it a little bit, like put it the value if the light is smaller than let's see 1, then turn on the light. So that's what you can do. And I'm really hoping that you enjoyed this episode, and these are kind of small videos that I am making right now because they are much easier to produce and they're quite informative as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you learned something new, and that's signing off, and hope you like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Goodbye.